Welcome back to my channel. It's Leah with SkinBeautifulrx. Today's video is all about your skin barrier and how to understand it. You may have heard your skin barrier referred to as your lipid barrier or your moisture barrier, but no matter how you've heard it, it's basically the protective fortress for your skin. It's made up of layers of lipids, natural oils, and other compounds, and its main job is to reduce moisture loss, defend against environmental aggressors such as pollution, irritants, and other stressors. Basically, just think of it as the barrier between keeping your skin healthy, strong, and resilient. Now, when the barrier becomes compromised, whether it be due to using too harsh of skincare, excessive exfoliation, or external environmental aggressors like pollution or weather changes, your skin can become prone to dryness, redness, irritation, inflammation, and that leads to premature aging. But the good news is, and why I made this video today, is to talk about preventative measures before it gets to that point and how to keep your moisture barrier healthy and intact, so you can ensure that it's strong and resilient and functional for the long term. So let's first talk about how to protect your skin barrier. The first thing to think about when deciding on how to keep your skin healthy is one, picking the correct products for your skin type and its conditions. So you're gonna wanna pick products that work with your skin and not against it. So if you're sensitive or easily sensitized, you're gonna wanna pick products that say gentle or for sensitive skin or reduces inflammation. That's because harsh chemicals, overactive ingredients, and abrasive exfoliants can all over time break down your lipid barrier and start to create a compromised environment. If you are very dry or sensitive, you're gonna want to look for ingredients such as ceramides and lipids on the ingredient list, or look for terms in the description such as nourishing or richly moisturizing. Other great ingredients to look for if you are trying to create a healthy environment for your skin is products with hyaluronic acid or botanical extracts, because these ingredients both reinforce your natural skin barrier while also being soothing and hydrating. Next thing you're going to want to make sure you're doing is moisturizing regularly. Moisturizing is an essential step in any routine. No matter if you're dry, oily, acneic, moisturizing is such an important step because once your skin barrier is compromised, you lose water a lot quicker from the skin and it's harder to retain hydration. So no matter what your skin type is, when you look at an ingredient deck, you're gonna want to look for glycerin, fatty acids, and again, ceramides in both your morning and night routine for optimal moisture for your skin. Next, you're gonna be very protective from the environment by looking at the ingredient list for making sure you are protecting it from oxidative stress. You'll look for vitamin C, antioxidants, such as green tea extract, and even niacinamide. All of these ingredients and molecules neutralize free radical damage. If you are not protecting the skin with antioxidants, these free radicals break down the structure and barrier of the skin and lead to premature aging. Next, you are going to want to make sure you are wearing SPF. So many amazing SPF formulas out there. I know we have a perfect one for you. Again, no matter your skin type or its conditions, I promise you I can find one that your skin and you will love. Sunscreen is your best defense against aging and barrier breakdown. And it should be applied every single day, no matter if it's sunny, snowy, raining, cloudy. SPF is the #1 thing you should be applying daily. Look for a broad spectrum of 30 or higher. This will protect your skin against UVA and UVB rays. I'll make sure to list a few of my favorite barrier products down below, and a couple other essential products that I love when creating the perfect routine for a healthy barrier. Prioritizing the barrier health, the cornerstone of an effective skincare routine. By choosing gentle, nourishing skincare products, using SPF daily, your skin will be strong and resilient. I hope this video gave you some ideas on how to look at an ingredient deck and know if it's actually going to be helping or hurting your skin barrier. Let me know below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.